Ongea na hiyo namba nimekupea na ni mzungu ujue. Atakujenga na mambo na online business. Ongea na yeye.
Yes, hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes, I've been connected to you with Scott Evans.
Is it matter related to online business?
Yes, it's about online business.
Okay, you will just need to activate your account.
Yes.
And I will send you a pay bill.
Yes.
Let me send to you. Have you received?
Yes, I've received.
Okay, you just need to send cash 3K. 3,000 Kenyan to activate your account.
Okay.
Yeah, it's matter related to online lighting. Okay.
Let me send.
Mambo ni kala kala.